It's a chilly February afternoon, but I got something very exciting to show you. This is something that will reduce lead times if you change your business configuration. We've had a lot of issues in the past. We asked you guys, what tongue do you want on a trailer? Short tongue, long tongue? I mean, as you can see, that's a long tongue there on this trailer. That one over there in the distance is a short tongue. What we've come up with is a design with a handful of bolts. You can see this tube right down in here will slide out. So it'll go from the short tongue and it'll slide out to a long tongue. This is a game changer for us. You buy a trailer, you change trucks, you need a different design. This trailer will meet all your needs. The other thing that is absolutely awesome, finally, we always ask, what loader do you want mounted on the trailer? You say, I want a 1600. I'm like, daggone, all I got's an M series on the same trailer you want. Now, that's not a problem. We got two different sets of mounts. We can mount either a 1600 or an M series loader on the tongues of these trailers. So again, game changer. This makes having inventory ready to go when all of you guys need something. We can build it a lot quicker. We'll have 7K axles, 8K axles, and 16 and 18 foot decks and dump bodies also. Jason Pete's Equipment Sales and Rentals up here in Morrisville, Vermont. Metavic dealer for the U.S. Give us a buzz. Check out our website, petesequipmentvt.com. Thank you.